The Russian Federation Armed Forces continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, more than 30 Ukrainian servicemen and 3 pickup trucks have been eliminated as a result of the shelling of the enemy concentration areas near Sinkovka and Kislovka of Kharkov region. In the Krasny Liman direction, the Russian troops continued their offensive, which resulted in the occupation of more favorable positions. 2 counterattacks by the Ukrainian Armed Forces units, reinforced by foreign mercenaries, towards Chervona Popovka and Chervonaya Dubrova in Lugansk People's Republic, have been disrupted by artillery fire and active actions of the troops. Up to 60 Ukrainian military personnel and mercenaries, 1 infantry fighting vehicle and 2 armored vehicles have been eliminated. In the Donetsk direction, the Russian units continued their offensive, knocking the enemy out of fortified strong points. More than 50 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 infantry fighting vehicles, 1 armored personnel carrier and 3 pickup trucks have been eliminated. In the South Donetsk direction, attacks by the Ukrainian armed forces on the positions of our troops towards Slatkoe and Shevchenko in Donetsk People's Republic have been thwarted. The enemy has been defeated by artillery fire and driven back to the line of departure. In addition, 2 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups have been destroyed near Vladimirovka. The enemy's losses in this direction amounted to up to 40 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored personnel carriers, and 4 pickup trucks. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 6 enemy control points near Sinkovka, Kruglikovka, Berestovoye in Kharkov region, Nevskoye of Lugansk People's Republic, Bakhmutskoye and Klishchevka in Donetsk People's Republic. In addition, 92 Ukrainian artillery units in firing positions, as well as manpower and military equipment in 197 areas have been hit. 1 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-36 counter-battery warfare radar has been destroyed near Torskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. 2 Ukrainian Grad multiple launch rocket systems have been destroyed at firing positions near Seversk in Donetsk People's Republic. 4 unmanned aerial vehicles have been destroyed by air defense forces near Yelenovka, Blagoveshchenka and Valerianovka in Donetsk People's Republic. 10 HIMARS, Uragan and Olha multiple launch rockets have been shot down near Komsomolskoye, Novogorovka and Zhovtnevoye in Zaporozhye region. In total, 341 airplanes and 181 helicopters, 2,647 unmanned aerial vehicles, 392 air defense missile systems, 7,049 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 926 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,672 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,534 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.